Have you ever stood in a quiet forest or watched waves crash on the shore? In those moments you sense something vast and ancient. We often call Earth Mother, but what if that's more than a metaphor? What if the planet itself is alive? Ancient cultures saw the Earth as a living being with spirits in rivers and gods in mountains. Today science reveals a world of complex, interconnected systems. The air we breathe is linked to the deepest oceans. The tiniest microbe shapes the health of entire forests. From space, Earth appears vibrant and dynamic, not a dead stone but a swirling living marble. What does it mean to be alive? Living things grow, change, respond, and maintain balance. Our planet too maintains a remarkable balance, like the stable oxygen in our atmosphere for millions of years. Is this just luck or is something deeper at work? Could Earth be managing its own environment like a living creature? This idea invites us to see the world differently. We'll explore the great rhythms and hidden networks of our planet. Every part from mountain to microbe is connected. We won't find a heart or brain but perhaps a different kind of life. A planetary scale life. A life so vast and slow, we might miss it if we don't look closely. Let's begin this journey and ask, is our Earth alive? The answer may change how we see everything. It may reveal that we are part of something much greater. The story of Earth is the story of life itself, and it's only just beginning. If Earth is alive, it must breathe, and in a way, it does. The planet's breath is a slow, seasonal rhythm visible from space. Each spring, a wave of green sweeps across continents as forests inhale carbon dioxide and release oxygen. In autumn, the green fades, forests rest, and the planet exhales, carbon dioxide rises again. This global breathing pattern is mirrored between hemispheres, creating a planetary pulse. The gentle rise and fall of carbon dioxide each year is the signature of a living world. Oceans join this breath. Tiny phytoplankton near the surface take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, producing about half the oxygen we breathe. Ocean currents carry these microscopic plants around the globe, making the oceans a vast blue lung. Forests and oceans work together, sustaining life for eons. This planetary breath connects atmosphere, land, and sea. The air you breathe may have been shaped by a distant forest or plankton in a far-off sea. This constant exchange of gases is essential for life. It's powerful evidence that Earth functions as a single, integrated system. The world breathes, and so do we as part of it. Our lives are woven into this planetary rhythm. Every breath connects us to the living Earth. The planet's breath is a reminder we are not separate from nature. We are part of its pulse, and its future is tied to ours. Like a living creature, Earth has a deep, powerful rhythm, a heartbeat that unfolds over millions of years. The ground beneath us feels solid, but it's in constant motion. Earth's crust is broken into tectonic plates, drifting slowly atop molten rock. This movement is the planet's circulation system, its slow heartbeat. When plates collide, they push up mountains like the Himalayas. When they pull apart, new crust forms on the ocean floor. Volcanoes and earthquakes are signs of this restless energy. Volcanoes release gases and minerals, enriching soil and atmosphere, a global recycling system. This tectonic activity regulates climate, recycles elements, and creates diverse landscapes. Without this internal heat and movement, Earth might be a frozen, barren world. The planet's slow heartbeat is a reminder of the immense power beneath our feet. It shapes the world we know and sustains the conditions for life. Earth is not a cold, dead sphere. It's hot and alive inside. The pulse of tectonic activity is essential for life's story. Our world is in constant motion, always renewing itself. The heartbeat of Earth is slow, but it never stops. It is the circulation of a living planet, and it connects us all. In the 1970s, James Lovelock and Lynn Margulis proposed a bold idea, the Gaia Hypothesis. They saw Earth as a single self-regulating system, life actively maintaining the planet's conditions for life. Like a thermostat, Earth keeps its temperature and atmosphere stable. Life doesn't just adapt to the environment, it shapes it. Forests, plankton, and soil bacteria are all part of this global regulatory system. For example, tiny marine organisms help form clouds, reflecting sunlight and cooling the planet. These feedback loops allow life to influence climate and maintain its own habitat. The Gaia Hypothesis challenges the view of Earth as a passive stage. Instead, the planet is a participant, stage, actors, and director all at once. Life and the physical world have co-evolved, locked in an inseparable dance. The living and non-living parts are so intertwined they function as a single entity. Earth is not just a home for life, it is a living system itself. This idea changes how we see our place in the world. We are part of a vast, self-regulating organism, and our actions matter more than ever. If Earth is one system, we should see signs of communication and cooperation. In forests, trees connect underground through fungal networks, the wood wide web. Through these threads, trees share resources and send warning signals, acting as a community. This is cooperation, not competition, a form of communication. The forest behaves like a single interconnected organism. In the animal kingdom, ant colonies show collective intelligence. No single ant is in charge, but together they build, defend, and thrive. Coral reefs, flocks of birds, and schools of fish all display this distributed intelligence. Even brainless slime molds can solve mazes and find efficient paths. These examples reveal a pattern-complex behavior emerges from simple interactions. Intelligence can arise without a central brain. It's the intelligence of the system itself. Earth's living networks whisper to each other, shaping the world in subtle ways. We are only beginning to understand this hidden communication. It's a reminder that life is more connected than we ever imagined. For most of history, Earth's living system maintained its balance. Now humanity is changing the planet on a global scale, altering the atmosphere, oceans, and forests. We are disrupting Earth's self-regulating systems, pushing it out of its stable state. The planet responds, seeking a new balance, seen in climate change, melting ice, and shifting weather. These are not punishments, but symptoms of a system under stress. The Gaia Hypothesis reminds us, Earth's system favors life as a whole, not just humans. The planet has survived past crises, life continues, but dominant species change. Our well-being depends on the health of the entire system. Seeing Earth as alive means recognizing we are part of it, like cells in a larger body. Our health is tied to the planet's health. This perspective calls us to act as caretakers, not masters. We must listen to Earth's rhythms and support its balance. The greatest question: can we learn to cooperate with this living world? The future of our species may depend on it. We are part of Earth's story, and its next chapter is up to us.